In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a quiz in Hosting Your Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a quiz you've created somewhere else and seamlessly embed it into your website so visitors can interact with it right on your page. First, you'll want to create your quiz using your preferred quiz platform. This could be a dedicated quiz tool, a form builder, or any service that lets you build interactive quizzes and then share them on other sites. Go through that platform's usual setup process, add your questions, answer options, scoring, and any design or branding elements you want. When you're finished and ready to publish, look for a share, embed, or publish option. Most platforms will give you a piece of code, usually in the form of an iframe or a small JavaScript snippet. You don't need to understand every part of that code, but it's important that you copy all of it exactly as it is. Highlight the entire iframe or script code, right-click to copy, or use your usual keyboard shortcut. This embed code is what will connect your hosting your website to the quiz you just created so your visitors can see and use it without leaving your site. Once you've got that code copied, head over to Hosting a Website Builder and open the site where you want to add the quiz. Make sure you're in the editor view of the specific page where the quiz should appear, such as a dedicated quiz page, a blog post, or even your homepage if that makes sense for your content. Now, in the left toolbar of the website builder, look for the button with a plus sign, usually labeled Add Element. This is where you can choose what kind of content you want to place on your page. Click that plus button to open the list of available elements. From the list, find the element that allows you to embed custom code. It's typically called embed code or something very similar. Once you see it, click and drag that embed code element onto your page. Position it where you'd like the quiz to appear. You can place it between existing sections, near a call to action, or in a dedicated section just for the quiz. You can always move it later if you change your mind, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. After dropping the element onto the page, click directly on that new embed code area. A small menu or panel will appear, and you should see an option like Enter Code. Click that, and a code window or editor will open. This is where you'll paste the quiz embed code you copied earlier from your quiz platform. Paste the code into the field, making sure nothing is missing or altered. Then confirm or save your changes in that window. The builder should update and either show a preview of your quiz or a placeholder indicating that the content will load on the published site. Finally, don't forget to save your page and publish or update your website so the quiz becomes live. Once it's published, visit the page as a regular visitor would and test the quiz yourself. Make sure it loads correctly, responds to clicks, and displays results as expected. That's all you need to do. You've successfully added a quiz to your Hosting a Website Builder site using a simple embed code.